Hey, Craig here. Just thought I'd do a quick video on adding. I decided to add the arm, machine arm for the monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Okay, here's the box for the machine arm. Actually comes in a mini crate here inside of a box. So never saw that before, a crate in a box. Let me open this crate up and right. Okay, so we got a simple set of instructions. The machine arm, which is tied down in the crate, and this must be the bracket for the monitor. I'll get this unstrapped. I guess this just simply mounts onto the side. Oh, I guess the keyboard stand and everything is underneath there. So let me get this out and bolt it up. Go ahead and take the screws out. The holes are tapped in the box, so you don't have to put nuts on the other side. The screws that are in here are actually too short to reach through. These are just to plug the holes, so I'll use the screws that they supplied. Okay, I got the arm mounted. I just need to mount the stand for the keyboard. Okay, here's a quick look at what the machine arm looks like before everything is mounted on it. I was trying to figure out exactly how this was going to work, but all the videos that I saw just showed everything put together, so I couldn't really tell. So I guess it has these openings here so you can actually run wires through it. And then I wasn't sure about the Vespa mount, the mounting. I didn't know if there was going to be enough space depending upon the size of my screen I was sticking on here. But it's a pretty good distance between. So, and it's very adjustable. You can kind of put it wherever you want. Height-wise, probably not so much. You're kind of limited to the height that it's mounted on here. But I'll go ahead and get the base piece on here. Yeah, the keyboard stand here appears to be two-sided. I guess if you mess one side up, you can always flip it over and use the other side. Seems to have a bit of a pinkish, purplish tint to it. Anyway, so this just simply bolts on from underneath here. The bracket piece here is threaded. And I guess you set the angle that you want it at by the tightening up the bolts right here. And you can adjust the monitor with that one there. So go ahead and get these tightened up. Okay, well, it comes with two different VESA plates. I think it's 75 and 100. My monitor is 100, so I had to swap that out. And I picked up a cheap monitor from a local electronics store, Fry's Electronics. I got it for like 75 bucks, 20-inch. But the normally this piece you clip in. This one's built in, so I'm gonna have to cut it off, I guess, and then I can go ahead and mount it on there. All right. Jeez. All right. The screws are one of the heads of one of the screws are messed up, so all right. Of course, wouldn't you know, the VGA cable. Oh, VGA. When you know the VGA cable is right there, right where the arm is. Great. Okay, well, I got it all put together. I got the jog shuttle keyboard and mouse on here. I'm probably going to play around with the adjustment to get used to you know, how I want to have it. You know, a lot of the cords weren't really long enough. The cheap monitor I got, the cords were super long, or super short, I mean. So I'm just kind of leaving these here for now until I get some longer cords or figure something else out. But well, there it is. Alright, see if this thing fires up. Alright, looks like it's booted up. The starter up. Alright, that works out pretty good. Takes up some room here though. You can pretty much put it wherever you want it here. Other than up and down, but that's a pretty good height for standing. I saw another video that said, one guy said it was a little wobbly, which is a little true. It's a little wobbly, but it should work. Okay, so this is basically as close as you can get to it with the chip guard. That's with the Y at its, the X at its limit there. So you can't really get it any closer than, say, with the edge of this box, really. So it's going to overhang, you know, probably past, well, past my desk at least. A good 1.5 to 2 feet. So I don't know, I'm going to have to work out something with the mini mill. I may end up having to scoot it over or something there, but you can bring it further forward like this. But I don't know, seems to me it'd be better if it was just like right there. So, alright, well, I guess that's it for now until I can figure out what to do with the cords, right? If you like this video, I appreciate thumbs up. Any comments, please leave them below. Over here, there should be a subscribe button. If you'd like to subscribe, please click there. And I usually put some links to other videos that I've done in the past down below. Alright?